Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix display color issue in iPhone after update iOS 26. A lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issues. So in this video, I will show you how you can exactly fix that. First of all, launch settings app in your iPhone. Okay, in settings app, you need to scroll down and tap on accessibility. Okay, now scroll down again and tap on display and text. Okay, here you can see make sure all these settings is toggle off in your iPhone, especially classic invert. You can see right now, tap on that. You can see it's fixed right now. Okay, now check the bottom also, color filter. If previous method not work for you, tap on color filter. Okay, make sure also this toggle off and there is no selected color in that section. After do that, you can easily fix that your iPhone display color issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.